Guys, welcome again. Something new in my garage cooking. Just making sure the material are ready for the project to begin. Electricity is nowhere to be found. I'm still working on it. We will have no sign of flashlights. So electricity is back. I will continue with this project and then I will get to showcase on how I'm doing it. So keep on watching, keep on following and see how we do things here in my garage. Rotich, the legend, the kingpin, the only engineer in Amurai. Yeah. Finally, electricity electricity came back, and now I'm still working on those things that I had shown you earlier, and I'm hoping that you understand what I'm doing, and that is to say this is my routine in my garage. I always innovate new things that you see them there in China. I'm now doing them here in Kenya, making sure that everyone gets a relief in a two-wheel walking tractor. So these are the long hands that I'm trying to fabricate. Long hand controllers for the walking tractor. Okay, guys, putting the pipes together and roasting them. I'm already done with that, so I'm just about to assemble them so that they may look like controllers. Take a look again and see what is happening. They seem to be forming a shape of controller, right? So let's keep on doing the same and see what. Guys, if you're watching, tell me, what do you see there? We're almost getting done in this project, okay? Don't forget, it is Rotich, the legend, aka the kingpin, the only engineer in Amurai. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and if there is something you think we should talk about or we should discuss, please comment down there at the comment section. I'll get to answer at every minute I see the comment, okay? Don't worry about it, just do this. Real and the good thing that we like to see. So guys, my controllers are now ready. I started working on them today very early by 10 in the morning, and right about now we are talking about how many hours, from 10 to it is almost 5 in the evening. Controllers are now ready. The only thing that is remaining is to paint them and assemble them to the tractor, and we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching and thank you for following. Please don't forget to subscribe and to click that notification bell and give a like to every video you watch, because we're just all about farming, okay? That is the clutch handle.